Are you a natural problem solver with passion for cars and working with your hands? Durham College's Automotive Technician Service and Management program is your key to an opportunity in a high-tech, challenging industry where graduates are in demand. Our program focuses on hands-on learning, guided by trade-certified faculty who bring real-world experience to every lesson.
I've always known I wanted to pursue a skilled trade, and Durham College Automotive program had a great reputation in the community. So I chose to come here, and I don't think I'll ever regret it. I enjoy hearing from my instructors about their experiences in the field and learning the different ways they tackle their problems.
Our students grow and excel by challenging themselves through unique learning opportunities like Skills Ontario competitions and engaging in special projects.
I love working with a team to build a kit car, which gives us a chance to take the basic components of a car and combine them into more complicated systems and ultimately a working vehicle. It gives us great insight into how everything works together.
Step into the future of the automotive industry with our state-of-the-art facilities, including a brand new electric vehicle lab designed to prepare you for the rapidly evolving auto landscape. It's a launch pad for your career. Dive into vehicle systems, master diagnostics and repairs, and build essential business skills to fuel your success for years to come. As a graduate of our program, you may be exempted from the Level 1 and 2 portions of the Automotive Service Technician Apprenticeship in-school training. Start your journey with us and drive your future forward. Let's get started.